Today we're installing the JB1 from Burger Tuning for the Volkswagen. So unboxing, we have the main unit. Alright, so it comes with 3 connectors. Alright, and you have the blue wire, that's your power wire, which you'll be splicing in later. And we also have the Bluetooth connector, which was purchased separately but added to the unit prior to the video. To get down to the boost control plug, we're going to remove part of the intake, which is pretty easy. It's 3 clips. You remove the cover first. So for the sake of space, we took the intake apart just a tad bit so we could reach our hands down in the middle. So you start by removing the cover. So basically we just remove the intake control and the plug that's down in the front. It is your boost control. So you start by making male and female connections. Perfect. Clicks right on. Just have to remove the cone. There's 2 plugs on the side. And once that come out, then you have a lot more room to work with. So that's the second plug right there in the front. It's a pin, it's under. Once you get that pin loose, just wiggle it out. Just remember, be very careful. They're very sensitive. All right, perfect. That down to the bottom, that's your third plug. That is your boost control module. May not be able to see it properly. There's not much more room to work with. It's a little red tag just like the other ones. You can see it right there. When you press on that red tab, once it comes out, you have to push down and pull at the same time. So we made the connection down there at the bottom. Okay, so we're going to remove another part of the intake for video purposes only, so you guys can see where we're going to put the power cord. What we're doing now, we're just splicing the wires so we can get the power one inside. Is it the tip? Buzz.
Hold up, hold up. You know what I'm saying? As I'm